Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Cynthia Faith, the owner and creator of Boss Nails Divine. In today's video, we will be recreating my version of Pink Friday 2 press-on nails. For those of you that don't know, I am a new mommy. Yes, I've been loving motherhood for a year now. I absolutely love her. But to keep track of all my nail sizes, I like to write them down in a binder on a piece of paper so that way I can get to them whenever I need them. Make sure you check out my YouTube video in my description so you can hear all about the things that I'm using and where I bought them from. I highly recommend double checking your listing and looking at all the details you put about the nails so that way when you're doing your order, you don't make any mistakes and you know exactly what your customer wanted. I like to listen to an audiobook or watch YouTube videos. I'm really into podcasts while I'm working because I cannot sit in complete silence. I have a new trick I do with dip powder. I'm gonna add that short video in the description if you want to learn about it. I stopped doing acrylic nails because of the smell and decided to do this trick with my acrylic powders or my dip powders. I don't activate the dip, but I do add a base coat, top coat over it before I start designing. You do want to make sure you add a base coat over the nail so that way your artwork on top isn't a whole crunchy mess. This is very dangerous to breathe in, so make sure you have a dust collector nearby and make sure that your client and yourself is wearing a mask if you are performing this in front of somebody or on somebody, which I don't recommend doing it on your client. I'd rather just stick with the regular acrylic or dip powder if that's what you're going to use. For my extra nails, I'm going to be going in with the color Shockwave and Ladies First. I absolutely love these polishes. They're very easy to work with. And the Miracle Gel by Sally Henson is fast drying. It gives me enough time to work with it before it completely dries up. If you would like to see my whole collection of nail polish, make sure you click the link in my description that says nail polish collection. This is the first full-length video that I have of some nail polishes, and I'll be uploading more nail polishes for that series, so I hope you find something you love. I am a gel girl, so I don't like waiting for my nails to dry. I use this nail drying spray and it gets the job done pretty fast. I'm going to be using this top nail shimmer as pretty much just a glittery background. It goes with this blue color right here, which is going to be representing our sky. I made these nails before Gag City was a thing, so I definitely made it into Gag City with these nails. Okay, this is the sky view and the plane. Yes, I went ahead and cured each layer of gel that I'm using for about 60 seconds before I added another layer on top. That blue was very pigmented, so there was no need for me to add two coats. I do have a short, which is in the description, if you'd like to see me go into detail about this nail art design. I am using cat eye gel polish that I got off of Shein. I absolutely love these gel polish colors, or these cat eye gel polish colors. I'm going to go in with my top coat. You want to make sure that you let your nails sit for a good 30 seconds to a minute before you start designing on them after you took them out the light. Now for my gel, I always put my gel on my brush and then apply it to the nail. It just adds a cleaner application. I like to use this wax stick that I got that came with my nail jewels. I'm just adding these for extra pizzazz. She only paid about $20, but I'm just going to give her a little bit more detail for these nails. And that is our Pink Friday press on nails. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all follow me for more videos, and I will see y'all later.